Morning everyone, welcome back to Reading with Mrs. Bennett this week. And reminder, we're doing a non-fiction text. A non-fiction text is a book that is full of facts, so it's about things that are real. And today I'm going to read you some of the pages and you are going to be fact detectives. Your job is going to be to remember one of the things that I tell you and you're going to write it into your own book. So here we go, here is our front cover. We're looking at storms. And I'm going to use my contents page to help me. So today we're going to read about what a storm is. So I'm going to have a look here and it says, what is a storm? And it's on page 4. Here we are, page 4. So, what is a storm? Flashes of lightning, loud crashes of thunder, torrential rain, howling winds, driving snow. Those may be some of the things a word storm conjures up in your mind, which means what you're thinking about when you hear the word storm. A storm is a period of very bad weather. It might include rain, hail, snow, thunder and lightning, strong winds, or a mix of all of those things. So there was rain, hail, snow, thunder and lightning. Which one of those do you like? Which ones of those do you not like? Weather is caused by changes in the thin blanket of air called the atmosphere, which surrounds the Earth. It means it goes around the outside. Movements of hot and cold air, as well as changes in the amount of moisture in the air, which is the water in the air, mean that the atmosphere varies between being very hot or cold, very dry or wet, or very calm or very windy. Sometimes huge masses of air settle over areas of sea or land. These air masses become warm, cold, dry or damp depending on the land or the water below them. So if there's water below them, it will do one thing. If there's very hot desert underneath it, it will do something else. If it's a really cold, snowy area, it will do something else. When the air masses begin to move, the problems begin. Different air masses don't like to mix together, and if the edge of one warm air mass meets the cold one, that is where we get storms. So what happens? The hot air is coming one way, the cold air comes, they hit together and they don't like it. They don't like mixing and being friends. So it causes a big storm. And here is a little explanation of how it works. Alright, your job now will be to remember one of the things that I read. So you might write about some of the things that are in a storm. You might write that there is rain, strong winds, thunder and lightning. You might write that a storm is caused when hot air and cold air come next to each other and they don't want to be friends. You're going to write it on a piece of paper and you're going to add it to your weather book. Good luck.